Task number 8, scripting. Scripting is the process of writing and executing a series of commands contained in a text file, known as a script, to automate tasks that one would generally perform manually in a shell, like PowerShell. Simply speaking, scripting is like giving a computer a to-do list, where each line in the script is a task that the computer will carry out automatically. This saves time, reduces the chance of errors, and allows to perform tasks that are too complex or tedious to do manually. As you learn more about shells and scripting, you'll discover that scripts can be powerful tools for managing systems, processing data, and much more. Learning scripting with PowerShell goes beyond the scope of this room. Nonetheless, we must understand that its power makes it a crucial skill across all cybersecurity roles. For blue team professionals such as incident responders, malware analysts, and threat hunters, PowerShell scripts can automate many different tasks, including log analysis, detecting anomalies, and extracting indicators of compromise, IOSCs. These scripts can also be used to reverse engineer malicious code, malware, or automate the scanning of systems for signs of intrusion. For the red team, including pen testers and ethical hackers, PowerShell scripts can automate tasks like system enumeration, executing remote commands, and crafting obfuscated scripts to bypass defenses. Its deep integration with all types of systems make it a powerful tool for simulating attacks and testing system resilience against real-world threats. Staying in the context of cybersecurity, system administrators benefit from PowerShell scripting for automating integrity checks, managing system configurations, and securing networks, especially in remote or large-scale environments. PowerShell scripts can be designed to enforce security policies, monitor system health, and respond automatically to security incidents, thus enhancing the overall security posture. Whether used defensively or offensively, PowerShell scripting is an essential capability in the cybersecurity toolkit. Before concluding this task about scripting, we can't go without mentioning the invoke command cmd-let. Invoke command is essential for executing commands on remote systems, making it fundamental for system administrators, security engineers, and pen testers. Invoke command enables efficient remote management, and combining it with scripting automation of tasks across multiple machines. It can also be used to execute payloads or commands on target systems during an engagement by pen testers or attackers alike. Let us discover some example usage for this powerful CMD-let by consulting the Get Help Examples page. So, our used command, we used this command already on a few actions. Get help invoke command -examples, and here we can see for the invoke command how we can use it, and you are familiar with this by now. The first two examples provided by the Get Help Examples page and the report above are enough to grasp the simplicity and power of the invoke command cmd-let. The first example shows how the cmd-let can be very easily combined with any custom script to automate tasks on remote computers. The second example demonstrates that we don't need to know how to script to benefit from the power of invoke command. In fact, by appending the -script block, and then we have the curly brackets parameter to the cmd-let syntax, we can execute any command or sequence of commands on the remote computer. The result would be the same as if we were typing, and the result would be the same as if we were typing the commands in a local PowerShell session on the remote computer itself. Answer the questions below. What is the syntax to execute the command get service on a remote computer named Royal Fortune, assuming you don't need to provide credentials to establish the connection? For the sake of these questions, for the sake of this question, avoid the use of quotes or single quotes in your answer. For get service, well, actually we see it over here. This is what we want. We'll go over here. Computer name will be Royal Fortune. Script block would be, and inside the script block we execute the get service. So invoke command, computer name will be this one, with the following command, right? So appending the script block, parameter, right? We can execute any command or a sequence of command on the remote computer. So on the remote computer, basically we use get service. The remote computer being Royal Fortune, right? So we invoke this command on the Royal Fortune computer. This is it. Task number 9, conclusion. Well done, mates. Mateys! You successfully navigate the treacherous waters of PowerShell, uncovering hidden treasures and elusive services aboard the Black Pearl. With these tools in your belt, you're well equipped to explore even the most guarded corners of any Windows system. Remember, a true pirate never stops seeking treasure. So keep honing your skills, and who knows what pearls you'll discover in the next adventure. Until then, may your CMD lets be sharp and your scripts swift. Fair winds and happy hunting. To continue building up your command line skills, proceed to the Linux command line room. Up next in the module, answer the questions below. I am ready to go to the next adventure. Alright, let's go to the next adventure.